And we just reboot it back to carli 2, and build this index, this time with sudo in front of it. You need to be administrator, right? Oh, wrong, totally wrong. So it was interrupted at some point in time, which means we get half day's work. What's in here might be good, but we're not sure of that. So we're gonna delete the work folder. Everything else is from carli, from the GitHub, but this is the work folder. This is no good. If you check it out, the work folder is from root. So you know already, and you need to be sudo to become root, to be able to remove something from yourself, basically. So remove me recursively, please, with force, just to make sure it's gone, and make sure you select the right directory. Otherwise, everything is gone, and you can reinstall. So that's that. That's better. We want to see all the first steps, all the data needs to come back in. We want to be sure, starting with a clean slate. That's just what we did. All right. In the meantime, I changed my Arco get started there. So the downloads get started can be gone. Okay, thank you. Is something open here? No. So, yeah, I was thinking this, I suppose. Direct download. Right mouse click. Extract here. If you download it now, you'll see that this line contains now also. I should change to Azerty, Eric. You haven't done that yet. So carli is in there. Next time around, that's gonna work. Now my super shift Q is an A. Right. Let's do a super shift reload. No. Nope, not still. Still the same things. Ah! Where is my... Oh, here it is. Whew. Thought I had lost my build here. Super C in the back end, you see. Wallpaper there, wallpaper gone, wallpaper there, wallpaper gone. Control Alt page down, Control Alt page up. But a Control C is maybe best. Well, a Super C to get rid of it. Why are we building this? When we build an ISO, we get the same information as we have had here. So we opened our ArchLinux, the one that just released. The date, there is no date in the menu here. Oh, okay, without the date. Then you can have a comparison between the package list from them, which is where we always will start. We will always follow ArchLinux as a base, and then make our own distro from it. Pausing for a moment. All right, that's finished. We have a 635 megabyte ISO out somewhere. Where is it? We went to Control H, no, Control carli 2, boot. We do not copy it somewhere else. It's going to be in, or do we copy it somewhere else? Don't recall what we've done. So carli 2 out is where I would look. Yep. Okay. So this is the ArchLinux. Now we can double click probably. Yes, we can. So it was all about rebooting last time, the other video. This is the ROM from us. Let's put that one here. This one can go alphabetically. Okay, close and close. open, no, let's open Super F5 melt. There's one on the desktop. That's Carli's. And there's one in the download, and that's ArchLinux. And then we compare. The only thing we have to look at is not the numbers behind it. That's normal that numbers are different. But the names, do they have more elements? So Pac-Man, and no difference in number there. No. I guess that's it. So Carli and ArchLinux are fully 100% exactly the same, and that's exactly how I wanted it. Otherwise I would have added or deleted stuff, because we want that as a base. So basically there is no need for a Carli 3. So Carli 2 stays as it is, and great, right? So that's what we'll do. We'll carry on, and if we have the time, we'll follow up and we'll do the next step in the Carli story. All right, cheers.